The match function returns the position of a value in a given range. It returns a numeric value. Match can work in horizontal or vertical ranges. Welcome to Excel in Life. If you have not yet watched the previous video, then please watch the same to know index function better. Now let's continue with the index match function. In our previous example, suppose we want to know the position of Torun in the name column. For that we have to apply match function. Match takes 3 arguments. First one is lookup value, which tells what to match. In our case it is Torun. Second argument is lookup array, which tells where to search. Let us select the name column. Third argument is match type, which tells how to match. Match type will be 0 for exact match. We are getting position of Torun in the list. Similarly, we can get the position of math in the subject row. Now we have seen the index and match separately. It is time to learn how to combine these two functions and create a dynamic lookup. In our previous example, we will replace the row number and column number with match function. To get the student name, apply the function in the name column. This is vertical lookup. To get the subject position, once again use the match function on subject row. This is horizontal lookup. Now if you change the name, give a different student's name, our formula will dynamically find the result. By changing the name, we are getting math value as 63. By changing the subject as science, we are getting the value as 74. This is called two-way lookup, as the function is searching both rows and columns. In our next episode, we will see advanced use of index and match function. With index match, we can do left lookup, which is not possible to do with the VLOOKUP. So don't forget to watch the next video. Please subscribe to Excel in Life and click the bell icon to get the notifications for upcoming video. Till then, goodbye and take care.